Hey guys, welcome back to DeHenzel Training Systems. I'm Jason DeHenzel. Thanks so much for visiting the website today. Today I wanted to go over with you just some basic boxing techniques. I like to do boxing with a lot of my clients. I think it's a fun way to get in some cardio and just kind of break up the workouts. Today I have my assistant here, Sophie. Alright, I'm going to take Sophie through some basic boxing techniques. And I'm just going to teach her the form and just the way that I would do it with a client that didn't really know anything about boxing. Alright? So here I'm going to get Sophie started here, and the first thing I want to do with her is just get her into a boxing stance. Alright, so with a boxing stance you just want to have, with her she's going to be boxing left-handed, so she's going to lead with her right foot. Alright, and she's going to have her back foot just over a little bit here. Alright, she's going to be balancing between those feet. You don't want to be back here like this, but just have a nice balance between those feet there. Alright, and so with the jab, alright, the jab's going to be palm facing the ground. So she's going to come back, she's going to start here, and she's going to come in so that her wrist is in line with her shoulder, palm's going to be facing the ground, keeping a nice tight fist. Alright, and when she comes across, it's going to go across her body into my mitt here. Alright, so it's going to be jab, and she can go ahead for 10 of those. Alright, and you can see how she's balancing between her feet, and as she punches, she's bringing the weight onto her front foot, she's kind of leaning into it. Alright, she's keeping that fist tight, and you can see when she comes out that the wrist is in line with the shoulder. She's not way up here, or punching way down here. She has a nice, what you want to think about is your fist being an extension of your torso. So you're pushing into it, alright, your whole body. Alright, boxing is a total body exercise here. Alright, so now she has a jab. She has a jab down. Alright, now I'm going to show her the cross. Alright, so the cross is going to come across the body, and she's going to come across this side. Alright, what she's looking for here is really, this one you can really rotate. Alright, so if you look at her back foot when she's doing it, she can really rotate into it as a total body movement here. Alright, so she can come through and shift her weight forward. Alright, and right to my mid here. Alright, so this is a power hit. Alright, so keep that fist nice and tight. Go ahead and show them 10 here. Yep. You can see here, she's pivoting on that back foot and she's pushing into it. Yep. Good. Alright, so that's the jab, jabbing across there. Alright, so now I want to show her left hook. Alright, so with the left hook, this one, there's two different kinds of left hook. There's a high left hook and a low left hook. I'm going to show her the low left hook today. And so this one's going to be tight to the body. Alright, and thumb's going to be facing the ceiling. So on the jab and the cross, the palm's facing the ground. Alright, on this one it's going to be thumb facing the ceiling. She's going to keep it tight to her body. And again, you want to think about that punch being an extension of your torso. So you're going to hook into it, and it's not just going to be like this, where you're just pushing with your arm. It's the whole body. And you can see, rotate on that back foot. Alright, now watch her do it here. She can do just 10 of those right here. Good. Alright, so that's basic left hook there. Alright, so it's like a body shot coming through. Alright, now so we got the left hook, we have the jab and the cross. Now we're going to go to the uppercut. Alright, and the uppercut, again, very similar to the hook. The uppercut's going to stay tight to the body. Alright, and this one you can really drive with your legs more. Alright, so the uppercut's going to be here, tight to the body, and you can see she's getting set up here. This one's going to be palm facing the ceiling. Alright, so the jab and the cross, your hands like this. Alright, hook, you're here for the low hook, and then uppercut, you're going to be palm facing the ceiling. You want to keep that wrist nice and tight, and that fist nice and tight. Alright, so it's going to be tight to the body, and again, you're driving from your legs. Your arm's not, you don't want to be swinging your arm like this. You want to be driving with the legs, so it's going to be a dip and drive. Boom. Alright, just like that. Alright, so Sophie, go ahead and show us 10 of those. Good, so you can see how she's driving there with her legs. She's keeping it tight to the body and driving into it. Alright, so that's a jab, cross, hook, and uppercut. Alright, and once you understand that, then you can put those together into a combination. Alright, so let's go jab, cross, and hook. Alright, so jab, cross, hook. Alright, pretty simple. But here we go. Let's just go 5 of those. Let's go. 1. Good. Alright, so you can see how she's putting those together. Alright, and now we can add in the uppercut. So she's got the jab, cross, hook. Now we're going to add in the uppercut that we learned before. Alright, so let's go 5 of those. Alright. understands that basic combo. And once you understand that, then you can start adding in all kinds of different combinations in there. And I'll just show you just some basic things we can do there just to raise the cardiovascular sort of value of the boxing here. All right, so let's just go through that combo that we're doing there. You're just going to go, you're just going to do that, and then I'm going to call out uppercuts, jab crosses, and just get some speed work in there. So the constant is going to be that jab, cross, hook, uppercut. So you're just going to keep doing that until I say switch over to the other thing. All right, so let's just go through that a couple times here. All right. Just jab crosses back and forth. There we go. Come on. There you go. 3, 2, 1. Good. All right. Now we're going to do just quick jab cross or quick jab. All right. Soft. So it's going to be soft 1, 2, and then hard cross. All right. 5 of those. Good. All right, guys. So that's the basic boxing techniques. And you can see here, once you understand these basic movements, you can start adding in all kinds of different exercises and to make it even more challenging. So there you go. So thanks so much for visiting the website today. Boxing is a great way to break up your workouts and just have a little fun with it. All right, so check back next week for our next blog entry.